Dale and Leanna from Moments of Adventure, and I'm driving! We're gonna see how this goes. We have a plan.
I thought I was gonna film you.
No, you are leaving me to fend for myself on my first time.
Can you see the trailer wheels?
No.
Okay, adjust that mirror until you can see. You don't have to.
There's no way I'm gonna be able to see them because the big fat trailer's in the way. How?
When you start turning, you'll see.
Okay, well, I might be able to see them if I do.
All right, so start pulling, and then. Now you have to be, whenever you're pulling, there's a tow haul mode, which is that. It has to be in tow haul mode.
Okay, it's in tow haul mode.
All right, so just pull forward.
And how? Okay.
You gotta pull forward all the way until you see those trailer wheels. Now maybe start turning a bit.
But I don't see any wheels.
Well, you said you
really don't see any wheels. Okay, I see wheels.
Okay. Brink.
Oh my God, this is so scary. I wanted to just go straight.
You are gonna go straight. Now just make a nice wide turn, so continue going there. Now you can turn again. There you go. We are leaving Coyote Keith, not Coyote Ugly.
Not Coyote Ugly.
Because it's not ugly, it's very nice camp.
Very nice. So they've got a lot of tumbleweed catchers here in the picnic tables. Do you need to throw your trash away?
Yep, I do.
Well, I'm going to pull way far forward so you have to run back. Because that's what I usually have to do.
We're going to do a once around on the trailer. Jacks are up. Wheels aren't wonky. Look at those shiny shackles.
I'm moving. You should
Safety
buckle
first.
up. You should buckle up. I feel like we need one of those signs on the back of the car that says, "Warning, student driver."
Good. It's going to drive like normal. It's just long. And you can't stop as fast.
Right.
But you got to check your mirrors and find out where your trailer's at.
My trailer's behind me.
That's good, because you don't want it on the side of you, because then you're going to take out a fence or
That would
something.
be worse.
That's why you got to check your mirrors all the time. Can't floor it.
Obviously.
Okay.
I'm going to be here for a minute because I don't think I should go. Oh, I got passed by the UPS truck. Okay. He had no patience.
Now when you're turning this way, just look out your mirror, your trailer.
Look out my mirror at my trailer. What am I looking for it to do?
To know where the trailer's at, because if you cut too short, you'll see the trailer taking out a sign or a ditch or something like that.
Oh my God, what's happening?
Okay, let go. I mean, of the foot feet.
I
now
did.
Just kind of calmly push down on
I thought that was calm.
it. You can keep pushing further. You just can't let go back and forth. Good?
Well,
Just constant pressure.
okay, I need you to move away so I can see and get over to the slow lane where I belong. Okay. I'm good.
I would set it on like 65, 70,
Oh, I
65.
can use cruise control when I'm hauling?
That's what I'm thinking.
Oh my gosh.
Absolutely.
Okay.
I'm trying to use
Alright.
this.
Just gonna go straight. Aces.
Let's make me.
I really don't like that bucking thing. It's much more relaxing than the passenger seat.
Crank it up to 65, throw it on cruise, and away you go.
Well, I'm working my way there.
You're not going to turn in 60 miles.
I'm working my way.
Okay. So once you get down the road, you really can't tell it's backward, right? Other than you know it's backward.
Well, here's what it feels like to drive. It feels like when you give your kids a piggyback ride when they're younger but they're not like 2 and weigh nothing. They're like starting to get a little heavier, and they're like right on the small of your back. That's what it feels like.
Alright.
Okay, I'm gonna push set, and now my cruise control is on at 65 miles an hour, and the UPS truck is back behind me. He can suck it because he was rude and passed me, just pulling out.
Did he turn left?
He U-turned.
Oh, did he really? Could be too.
And now he can just stay behind me and suck it. This is so dangerous. I should not be here.
15 tons of equipment driving down the road. Well, it's not quite. It was 29,000 last time we weighed. 29,000 pounds. But pulling it with a Ford, no issue. 210,000 miles on the old Ford.
Alright, the UPS driver is now turning and off my butt, so I'm happy about that.
Good to go. How's it feel?
Like I said, it feels like I'm giving a big kid, like a 10-year-old, a piggyback ride.
You'll forget it's back there until we get into town.
Oh my, I have to drive through town?
And we gotta go through San Antonio.
Oh my god. This is our first camping trip of the year, technically. Technically, we did take the trailer out in January to Texas for Dale's NRVTA class and froze our butts off. But now we are on our way to Port Aransas. We spent the night at Coyote Heath Campground in New Mexico, in Clayton. Yesterday, I drove the truck and camper in its big behemoth state twice.
Not only that, but you went through downtown Amarillo.
I did go through a cityscape.
You drove at night where you can't even see the trailer. Really.
Yeah, that was hard. If it wasn't for the lights on the side, I would.
No.
It was complete blackness.
Well, that's because we drive such a good truck that you don't feel it.
I felt it.
It's probably not it. Yes. So how was it? Not as scary as you thought.
It actually, after the initial panic and stress, wasn't so bad.
As you put it, it follows you.
It follows you. Well, you told me that with the. I've driven a trailer before. I've driven our old trailer, and I've driven like a cargo trailer before, and so they do just follow you everywhere you go, and it followed me.
It did?
There were 2 scary parts, and it wasn't even the gas station, which I thought would be scary. We went through a construction zone, and there were those big concrete blocks. They were extremely close. That was terrifying. And then we did go down this road in middle of nowhere, Texas, with 0 shoulder.
Oh,
Like
yeah.
0 shoulder. And it's like line and then like an 8-inch at least drop to dirt, which...
Well, the last thing you want to do is get your trailer tire off the side.
that did not happen.
No, it did not happen. You did awesome. You did great. No issues whatsoever.
But it was...
In fact, I fell asleep
Yeah, you did.
multiple times.
During the night drive, Dale was getting tired, so I'm like, I'll drive at night. That'll be fun. It wasn't that bad. He slept. I had a one-woman concert. It's great.
80s and 90s country music.
80s and 90s country is what I sang to.
We are on our way to 1,000 subscribers, and the more you share, and the more you like, and the more you comment, gets us more visibility for the algorithm. So please do that. 1,000 by the end of the year.
We can do it. We're already at like 560.
Yep. So thank you for those that have already subscribed. We do appreciate it. Oh, I'd like to talk about where we spent the night last night.
Oh, wait, time out. Would this be the place that I pulled into by myself?
Yeah.
Okay, let's talk about it.
In Kerrville, but it's a rest area. And there's a name of the rest area. I don't know what it is.
Kerrville, Texas.
Kerrville, Texas. So Kerrville Safety Stop or something like that. As nice as any campground. I would say.
Dry camping. Yeah, it was kind of space. It had a pull around part where we stopped, and there were several other vans and campers that were parked there. So
yeah. So just so you know,
quiet.
And I think in most states, but in Texas specifically, because I looked it up, you can stay in the rest area for up to 24 hours. So you don't want to set out your lawn chairs and do any of that stuff. But we pulled in, did not park next to the trucks. We pulled on our way to they have a dump station there too if you need to dump your tanks, and pulled off to the side. We opened up the slides on the passenger side.
Just one slide.
Just one slide. We didn't want to stick out into the road, but I did not hear any traffic. I was dead asleep.
Well, you were dead asleep while you were pulling in, so doesn't surprise me you slept.
You want an M&M?
Yes.
Who wants an M&M?
I want an
You want an M&M? Who doesn't this one?